Hello everyone. So hopefully you guys are doing good, right? So if I ask you what do you mean by data types in Python, then let me tell you. Look, in Python, by data types we mean something that defines the types of values or data that is being used in the code, right? And those values are being contained by the variables, right? And basically in Python we don't need to specify the types of data in the code because Python itself identifies the types of uh, data which is being used in the code, right? Simple. Now the whole summary is like data type is something that defines the types of data value. That's it, simple, right? Now if I say what are the types of data types in Python, then uh, there are some bunch of types of data types. Those are like numbers, list, set, tuple, string, boolean, map, etc., right? These are the main types of data types, right? And yep, we will also discuss about all those types, but not in this video, in some further videos, right? It's simple. I think the concept of data types has been cleared, right? So this is all for now. See you in the next one.